welcome back to my channel, The Craftessa, and I am Vanessa. For today's super duper easy Christmas DIY, I'm going to take some of this scrapbooking paper that I had and two of the styrofoam tree forms to make some modern glam centerpieces. So let's get crafting. So this DIY is going to be super easy. I'm going to take the piece of scrapbooking paper and I'm taking the smaller styrofoam tree first because I'm only going to need one piece of the scrapbooking paper for this one. I'm going to hot glue it around the styrofoam cone, and all I'm going to do is just cut the excess paper, and that's it. This one's easy because it's only going to take one piece of scrapbooking paper. So for the bigger styrofoam tree form or cone, I'm going to need two pieces of scrapbooking paper, and this one's going to take a little bit more effort because I want to try and match this scrapbooking paper so it doesn't look like it's overlapping each other. But it's basically going to be the same thing. I'm going to wrap it around the cone and hot glue it and trim the excess paper. So first I'm going to try to figure out how I can wrap the entire cone without wasting too much paper so I can have enough to cover the entire piece. So I did have to cut a piece of paper and do a little covering up in the back, but that's okay because it pretty much melds itself because the pattern is pretty good that you can't see where I am patching the pieces up. And that's it. Now this big one is done and we're ready to display it.